Sito inasabangan tangsa wonsam na may samito. So bangan tangsa wonso. Muna may samito tutimona bon sieto mo sobayena. Sieto mo sobayena. Bima betu mo isikese mazono. Serviça e mal uma cara bom se com mazono o no me camamo manquembo babingi va vanga vo mambo ma kan sikapenda mwana ya kala masiko Nada muntu akakamuvumo kyandi ngoda bazavimba
Oh habaka bantu bole minzambi ngokena Fwete yanga la Umbelolo na munjadulu zabu Kemo kwa yahandi Sudiang kenchut sudiang zambi tutanga beto kuna kuma Kongo Bungong ketole anda falanga biabio Fulame holo yeah Kemo kwa mfumo Panamboka Kunana roto emuko Muta Fumure Kayo yo Tuvutukanga Ganayo, je vous entends pas.
Tuvutukanga.
Est-ce que là-haut, est-ce qu'il y a des gens là-bas? Mais si.
Tuvutukanga.
Ebelo mame, olo zankento gogo.
Tuvutukanga.
Ngarale maloro, lele obolongo obo.
Tuvutukanga.
Tuvutukanga yo.
Tuvutukanga.
Alaya dodo.
Tuvutukanga.
Régulièrement.
La prochaine chanson de cet album très émouvant,
C'est le sambo.
le sambou, c'est la prière. Donc, nous, en Afrique centrale, surtout nous les Congos, parce que nous venons du Congo, nous sommes de l'ancien royaume Congo, nous avons notre manière de louer le Dieu qu'on appelle Zambia Mpungu, le Dieu puissant. Et là, nous l'implorons pour qu'il ait un œil de compassion pour le peuple Congo qui est un peu délaissé. Et c'est notre prière pour que ce peuple se réveille, retrouve ses valeurs, des valeurs d'humanité, d'amour. Voilà.
À vous, merci.
Yalulendo, Yalulendo, Vanatunu, Yalulendo, Yalulendo, Fumu, Vanatunu, Yalulendo, Yalulendo, Vanatunu, Yalulendo, Yalulendo, Fumu, Vanatunu, Tata Webuzu, Umbaku Yasembe, Wayambi di Kandi, the Sala Okoma. Fumu Yalulendo, Gebidi Biabio Sono, Guayambiri Kandi, Biasalamo Komaku, Bantu Pe Munzayi, Eberi Wasara Boso, Guayambiri Kandi, Biasalamo Komaku.
Zambe Congo la Kosambela, Mozani si wadi Corona se. Kembo, Kembo, Kembo na Congo na yo, Mozani si wadi Kela Monionso.
Yalulendo, Yalulendo, Vanatunu, Yalulendo, Yalulendo, Fumu, Vanatunu. Pasi mukota josulu Bimbe bobina yokanza Mikumeka bana bilugu Bia usono bilingana Ngewa salabyo Guayambirikandi ya salabo komaku Baba totonge Bivama biwa vana bifeji itama Matubeba bonsoro vana beki Kiasungama kuna zulu yekutoto kumwaku ya zanguka wayamilikandi yasalamo kumako nza yalulendo nza yalulendo baratundu nza yalulendo nza yalulendo fumu baratundu nza yalulendo nza yalulendo baratundu nza yalulendo nza yalulendo fumu.
Non, 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 non. Le grand mix.
Monokwami kasana siya longo longo Monokwami kasana siya longo longo Yandika bondi zingulu zangani yaya Yandika inkentwa ngani yaye Ebo ebebo Yandika kangwa kindo kikampimpa yaya Yandika insusu zangani yaye Ebo ebebo Yandika bondi zingulu zangani yaya Yandika inkentwa ngani yaye Ebo ebebo Yandika kangwa kindo kikampimpa yaya Yandika insusu zangani yaye Ebo ebebo Lusale Lusala Lusala msayaya Lusala nzambia mikwani mwakumbaka yaye Ebo ebebo Lusala mbote zenu kwenye keso sayaya Lusala nzambia mikwani mwakumbaka yaye Ebo ebebo
Ono kwa mika sana nzia longo. Nzia longo. Longo, Ono kwa mika sana nzia longo. Nzia longo. Longo, Longo, Longo,
Zebelen zunganenje chimuna muna kechilombo jata. Beso mani mamweni mina kechilombo mona. Boko mani mashimbi di bina kechilombo shimba. Beni twali mweni mina kechilombo mona. Zebelen tunganenje chimuna kechilombo jata. Beso mani mamweni muna kechilombo mona. Oko mani mashibidi muna kechilombo shimba. Ni twani himweni muna kechilombo mona. Mtotonjo wanelewe kana mabancho mamingime. Sambu bya bancho bya bingipye. Akanda manza yicho mamingime. Totonjo wanelewe akanda mabancho mamingime. Sambu bya bancho bya bingipye. Akanda manza yicho mamingime. Jedi banza munzai nimeno kakakwana tekela. Jedi banza nzai sambu. Jedi banza tizuri nizonza nijokwe kwa konsono. Jedi banza timekwa ndi mputu chomu nzai babingi pe. Mtotonjo wanelewe kana mabancho mamingime. Sambu bya bancho bya bingipye. Akanda manza yicho mamingime. Totonjo wanelewe akanda mabancho mamingime. Sambu bya bancho bya bingipye. Akanda manza yicho mamingime. Minamona meno miamona mbwa miasuki na kuntima. Wabunzebi. Minamona meno miamona mbwa miasuki na kuntima. Mingi mweni timani utuni ni chana nzaka kwazi bele wo mtunga mane zebambo wa chadwa. Mingi mweni timani utuni ni chana nzaka kwazi bele wo mtunga mane zebambo wa chadwa. Mingi mweni oh mikutudi timani wo kwenzange every week more bandu. Subla meso tala dobi yokane. Zimani wako nsolo kengele. Wako neza na wako mbantwa. Wako ndile. Simoni lume po.
Siete na sebentangs a was made a mesa. Sebentangs a was. When a mesa made to Timona van Siete Mana Subayena. Siete Mana Subayena. Bima bitus, muesanga kiesa mazono. No beti kudu service. Imambo makana mansiku mazono. No mika mambo manke.
Tokolonga, mon mère, Rogatien Milor, Garo Marca, Mama. C'est vrai, très souvent dans la vie nous vivons des situations difficiles et même compliquées. Toujours à la ligne d'attaque, en train de forger l'espoir perdu, sans ignorer les valeurs en nous. Motivés et déterminés, nous y arriverons certainement. Tant qu'il y a l'espoir, un jour de la lumière apparaîtra. Hakuna Matata. Unissons-nous malgré nos divergences et ensemble. We are one, you and I. Let's stick together. Lego. Kola na tenzela ya mabe, malembe tokukoma. Mokili tondi magamwebele. Ya. Sala na kimya. Eloko nyose koma kanangonga nango.
Kiambote, Nengotariwa.
Kiambote, Tatampano.
Stranger, how are you?
I am good.
Good. Let me just greet the audience. If you are watching, we thank you. This is Kikongo class. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom, spoken in Angola, Gabon, Congo Kinshasa, Congo Brazzaville. Thank you very much for being there. And hopefully, I think Tata David is coming. Yes. Tuto Ndele. Can you see my
Yes, I
screen?
can see the screen. Yes.
Yeah. Let's go. Last chance for Nengwa. We've been here before. I mean, it's just same thing, but different layout display, but should be okay. Okay. Let me just try to make it bigger.
Much better.
Can you see that the person in the picture? Do you know the person in the picture? He's gone. You know, Mwana Semi, no?
No.
You don't know? Okay. One of our elders has gone. Very good
Oh, he passed
person.
away.
Sorry?
He passed away.
Yes.
When did he
I
pass
think
away?
18, yes. Okay, 18th. Yes. Sorry. Okay. I keep saying okay. Never mind. Okay. But basically here, the key question, the key word is sentences, yes? I'm going to tell you.
Yes.
Present perfect tense, yes, present perfect indicative, present continuous, present tense. Can you see on bottom left the note? Can you read it? Are you able to read it, please? Are you able to read my screen? Can you see the
Yes,
bottom
I
left?
can read it.
NBS.
On the left hand side, yes. Do I read the first person? Ingele.
No. The very bottom. 1 minute. Let me just add that.
Okay.
Hey, Cambodia.
Cambodia.
Stranger. How are you? Busy?
I'm good.
Nice to have you back.
Apologies. Excuse
Back
me for my
from
tardiness.
Banza, Congo.
Sorry, Tatale.
No. I said excuse me for being
No, it's
schedule.
fine.
My schedule.
Yeah, okay, busy. Yes, I'm just giving Nengua Cadence second chance. Let's see if she comes. Basically, we got the same thing, but just different layout, but it is the same thing. Okay. If you could read Tatale, very bottom, my writing. Can you see very bottom the screen? NBS for present perfect indicative. Can you see my screen?
Bele?
Not the verb. Let me just try to highlight it. Give 1 minute. This one. Very bottom left.
Oh, you said bottom left. Why am I not seeing it?
Can you see my screen?
Very small.
Very small. Give 1 minute. Let me just try to move something.
You know, I think it could be me. I don't know.
No. Don't worry. I need to remove my layer, my overlay. Yes. Can you see it now? Yes. Yes. Bottom left. Yes.
It's much better now.
Can you see? Yes. Very bottom.
Yeah. Okay. I see. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Can you read it, please?
Well, this is for the present perfect indicative.
Yes.
The personal pronoun is not used in a singular part. You only use pronoun for plural.
Yes. Present perfect tense. This one. Yes. Here, from ngele, wele, we're not using personal pronoun. Yes. Standard pronoun. Yes. You're only using them from plural. Tu, tuele, ti, tu, lu, baby. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Let us be clear on this. We're talking present perfect tense only, yes? Because here, present continuous, we're using the standard pronoun, yes? But remember here, present continuous, ta is English equivalent is ing, yes? Going, doing, yes? Continuous.
Yes.
Your pronoun is here. By just adding ta, it becomes present continuous. Here, present tense, you add nga, they call it suffix after the verb. Are we clear? Yes,
Yeah. Yes. No, I'm clear.
Yeah. Remember the rule? Yeah. First object, then your pronoun, the last thing your verb.
Yes.
Okay. Tatale.
Yes,
I've gone. Go ahead. I've gone. You saying I've gone?
I've gone.
I've gone. I've gone. Yes.
Ngiele.
Yeah, bravo. Yeah, Ngele. Easy as that. Yes. Ngele.
Yes.
Oh, emphatic. Yeah. Where do you add after? What do you add after Ngele? You're going to add something.
Ngele Kwame.
Bravo. Yes. Ngele Kwame. You mean it. Remember, it could be, depend on the situation. Kwame, when you say Ngele Kwame, I'm fed up. Yes. Or mean I'm going. I'm really going. Yes. Are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah, I have eaten.
I have eaten. Ndidi.
I had ndidi. Remember a long vowel, ndidi, yes?
Oh, yes. Ndidi.
Yes, okay. We're just using as a sample, the two verbs should be okay. So when I want to say, I've gone to Mbanza, Congo. I have gone to Mbanza, Congo.
Kumbanza.
Listen carefully. I have gone to Mbanza, Congo. I have gone.
Is that for me?
Go ahead, Tatan, yes.
Is it Ngele Kumbanza
Yeah,
Congo?
yeah. Bravo, yes, yes, yeah. Ngele Kumbanza, yes. I've gone, yes. Remember, I'm not talking. Pay attention to tense, yes. Where's my point? Yes, we're talking here, yes. Perfect, perfect, yes. Not continuous. Then what did you I've eaten black-eyed peas.
Oh. Mbwenge. Ndidi.
Yes, see? Bravo. Perfect, perfect. The only thing you need to remember, you're not using the pronoun, yes? Yes?
Pronoun, yes.
Yes.
Yeah. You're not using pronoun. But from plural, you of course use a Tulu, but yes.
So can I ask a question? So for other than a location, you have to put the object first, right?
Oh yeah, yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah, except location, yes. Okay. That time over to you. Consume sugar every morning, yes? Consume sugar every morning. Many sugar. Let's use sugar. Consume sugar. Every morning I eat potato. Remember potato in Kikongo? There are two words, but we're using the common one.
You're asking me, do I remember what it is?
Yeah, you speak Congo, yeah?
Potatoes?
Mavuta, yes?
Mavuta, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so
yes, Consume sugar every morning, yes?
Kwasa sugar. No, I'm sorry. Kwasa sugar mavula ndidi. Did I even say the right word?
Careful. No. Good. Yeah, but cuidado. I'm going to say Portuguese. Be careful. Mind your tense. That we're talking present tense.
Oh, did I not?
We're talking present tense. Yes.
Okay, you said every morning I have
the rule.
You said I have eaten, all right? Or
no, consume every morning. I eat potato.
Oh, every morning I eat.
Yes.
Okay.
The rule is there, yeah. Object.
Every morning I eat.
Consume sugar, yeah. Consume sugar, then your object.
Okay, sugar. What is potatoes again?
Mavuta.
Okay, kwasa sugar. No.
Rule is there. Look at the rule.
Kwasa sugar.
Object first.
Oh, mavuta. Mavuta idia. Kwasa sugar.
Look at this here. Look here.
Am I not seeing?
The verb is good, but you need to add something.
Idianga.
Yeah. Mavuta idianga. You know your stuff, totally.
Yeah, okay. I see. Okay, present Present tense, present continuous. Oh gosh, yeah.
Yeah, we have 3 sentences
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
Tenses. We have present perfect, indicative, present continuous, present tense. Present perfect indicative is very hard because you need to know the verb, at least for let's say the singular part, because you're not using your pronoun. Make sure, let's say if I say I can't think of, no, it will be hard for you, but don't worry. Okay. Nengwatedi, are you there? She's gone. Okay. I speak Kikongo. Tatani, over to you, please.
I speak Kikongo.
The verb speak, no, the verb speak.
Yeah, Vova.
Well done, yes. Object, yeah.
Okay, Kikongo Ivovanga.
Ivovanga. Well done. Hello, Tata David. Kembote.
Kikongo
Oh,
Ivovanga.
Kembote.
How are you, Tata David?
Okay, I had to send myself the link in order to get in. It took a while, so I apologize.
Oh, sorry. I forgot. Sorry, I should have sent it to your email then. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yes. Is it your phone?
Yes. Someone, a friend from Uganda is trying to call.
Way from Africa.
Yeah.
Okay.
To let him know I'm in a class. Okay.
That's good. Okay. Basically, we're going back to. Hang on. Someone's here. Nengwatedi was here. Oh, she's back. Hello, Nengwatedi, are you back?
Yambote.
Kembote.
The connection was weak, so I had to leave.
Yeah, Tata David, second chance. I mean, we've been there, but same thing, but just a different layout, but some data, yes.
Mm-hmm.
So, but pay attention. Hang on. Pay attention. Yeah. Oh, Tata Audrey here. Kembote, Tata Audrey.
Kembote.
Kembote, Andre.
Kembote family, how y'all doing?
Tunama vimpi engeye.
Bimbi.
Tunama vimpi.
I don't know how to answer that yet, but
you should be able to get Nginama vimpi, yes?
Yes.
Sister. Kembote, sister.
Kembote, everyone.
Kembote, Candace.
Kembote. So, the reason we're going back just for Sister Candace, second chance, yes?
For me?
We're going back. Yeah, I mean, we'll just give you. We're going back to the same lesson, yes? We just want to make sure we're there. Don't worry about it. I haven't sent you. You don't look at your paper. It's same thing we have, but different layouts. I'm just trying to. Okay. We ready? Yes. Let me try to say. And thank you very much for your time. Tutondele. Okay, it's Sunday early in where you are in Ningwa, Candace, but anyway, we need to honor our ancestors. Yes, this is African people. This is our tradition, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Pay attention to this. We have a present perfect indicative, present continuous, present tense. We're using Kwenda and Dia as Just as a sample, yeah. So it covers all other verbs. So present perfect, indicative. Then I'm going to tell you, can you read again from the bottom left on the screen? Please.
It's very small on my side.
Oh, you
Yeah,
can see.
same here.
That they're very able to read. Too small.
It's too small.
Oh, Tatanle, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, can you read please, Tatanle? You were able to read.
Yeah, okay. For perfect, no, for present perfect indicative, personal pronoun is not used in singular. I can't singular. Is that act?
Parts, singular parts. Yeah.
Sorry, yeah, it's really tiny. You only use you only use pronoun for plural.
Yeah, thank you. This is present perfect indicative. Ngele, wele, we're not using pronoun. Yes, clear? It is hard, the present perfect tense, because you must know, you need to know your verb, yes? Let's say verb to see, mona. Tatanle, can I test you? Mona, first singular, present perfect tense. No, present perfect indicative, yeah? Mona, to see,
right?
I have seen, yes. Mbwene, it's hard, don't worry, it's hard. Mbwene. Yeah, mbwene, yes. So here we have gone. The verb is, we know our verb is kwenda, to go, yes? Ngele. Let me just try to test our sister from Los Angeles. I've gone. Your verb is there. No, the verb is there. I've gone to Mbanza, Congo. In this case, we not use the rule. I've gone. We not to. It is not present continuous. Remember.
So I say
your first verb. Your verb is there. You are here.
Kwenda. I mean, Ngele. Ngele. Kwenda Mbanza, Congo.
Ngele. Ngele kuna Congo. Yes.
Ngele kuna Mbanza, Congo.
Bravo. Yes. Your verb indicative is there, yeah, but that's what I keep saying. I mean, don't memorize. Don't worry.
It's Ngele kwenda Mbanza, Congo.
No, your verb is here. This is infinitive, yeah?
Okay, so it's Ngele
Mbanza, Congo, yes.
Mbanza, Congo.
Yes, Ngele Mbanza. I've gone, yes. I've gone to Mbanza, Congo.
Is there another word in there after Ngele?
No, just Ngele, then your destination, yes? Ngele.
Okay, got
it.
Very
easy. Well, not easy. Then try to rephrase. It's not easy because you need to know your verb. Let's say verb mona. The infinitive is it's mona, of course. To see, the verb is mona. Let me just try to test Tata David. I've seen Tata David, mona.
Okay.
The verb is mbwene, yes.
Oh, that's right. That's another one where the word is completely different than the original verb that we learned. So,
mbwene. Yeah, don't worry about that. You just remember this bit here, singular. You don't use the standard verb, just on plural side. That audio, I'm going to test you. We're talking this side, please remember this side. Present perfect indicative. Dia, to eat. I have eaten black-eyed pea. Black-eyed pea is mbwenge, yes? Remember mbwenge?
Right. Dia, or is it Didi?
No, don't. Yeah, good. Yeah, well done.
Didi.
Then your object, Mwenge, yes.
Mwenge.
Mbwenge, yeah. Ndidi Mbwenge, yes.
Didi Mwenge.
Ndidi Mbwenge. Have eaten.
Oh man.
Nengo Tediwa.
Yes.
He has eaten Mbwenge. Oh, I give you the answer, see?
You could say beans.
Yeah, okay.
Madezo.
Yeah. He has eaten Made beans. Right?
Yes, it is beans. Okay. D. Oh, sorry. Madezo. D.
Correct, but I want you to put aside the rule because those rules are applied here. Present continuous, present tense. Here, just go straight to verb, then the object.
Oh, okay.
Am I
So
clear on
say
this one?
D. Madezo.
Indeed, Madezo, yes. You're not wrong. I just want you to don't make your life hard. Indeed, Madezo, yeah. People can see that you have eaten, yes. Questions?
No question.
We have eaten black-eyed peas. Sister Candace. Just go to the verb. First plural. We have eaten.
Okay.
Black-eyed. Mbwenge, yes.
Tudidi Mbwenge.
Bravo, yes, yeah. Tudidi Mbwenge. You speaking proper Kikongo, Tudidi Mbwenge.
Thank you.
Yeah. Well, the hardest thing here is, don't worry, the hardest thing is you must know the verb, yes? You must know your verb. Let's say if I say Landa to follow, Dr. David, any idea? I have followed.
Landa is followed.
To follow, but
To
you
follow.
first.
Yeah, okay.
Present for present perfect indicative. First singular. Nde.
It's dende.
Nde, yes.
Okay.
No, okay, sorry. No, it's hard. Okay, never mind. Let us go back. Okay. Are we clear on this one? Present perfect tense.
Yes.
Yes.
Those rules, remember those rules, let me just say to those rules, I mean, the rule apply here, or you apply the rule in this present continuous and present tense. Object first, second pronoun, then the verb. But here, go straight to your verb, then object. They have eaten potato, totally.
I have eaten potatoes.
They second third plural. They have eaten potato.
Badidi Mavuta.
Yes, Badidi Mavuta. Yes, I keep saying Mavuta Badidi. It's not wrong, but I just want to focus on this one. Because here it is very important to follow the rules, but on present perfect indicative it is flexible. But we stick with verb first, then go straight to the word. Tata David, you many have eaten beans.
Okay. Let's see. Ludidi Madezo.
Bravo, yes. Ludidi Madezo. Yeah, Madezo Ludidi is fine, but just stick on first thing verb, Ludidi Madezo. Yes. Any question on that? Otherwise, we are going to move to present continuous. Yes. Any question on this side? The present perfect indicative?
No.
Yes. We should be okay with the verb kwenda, to go, and dia. Make sure you remember these verbs for present perfect indicative. Gele, wele, fed, Ndidi, Didi, Didi. Okay. Present continuous. I'm going to Mbanza, Congo. Tata Adri.
Let me see.
Your answer is there. Don't look at. Please don't look at your paper.
Yeah, I'm not
Everything's
looking at the
on-
paper. I'm trying to see the screen. It's so small.
I'm sorry. First, the object, yeah. But remember, destination
first.
always kuna X, yeah, itakwenda. Oh, I'll give you the answer, see?
Okay.
I'm going to Mbanza, Congo. Kuna, yes? Yes.
Kuna Ita Banza Congo.
Kuna, your object first, your object is Mbanza, Congo, yes?
Banza, so I don't say Kuna, or do I say Banza Kuna?
Kuna Mbanza, Congo. Yeah, Kuna Mbanza, Congo.
Kuna,
to Mbanza, Congo, yes.
To Kambanza Congo.
Ita
Kwende.
Kwenda. Yeah, Ita Kwenda,
man.
yes.
Yeah.
To Mbanza, Congo, I'm going. This is how we say in the Congo. Yes? To Mbanza, Congo, I'm going.
Yeah.
That's how we say it. Yes. I'm going to Atlanta. Tata David.
Ku Atlanta itakwenda.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Remember, the word Mbanza means
City.
Mbanza means, sorry?
Mbanza means city.
Yeah. Mbanza means city. Now, like, you could say Kumbanza, Atlanta itakwenda. Kumbanza, New York itakwenda. Yes. Them, they are going to New York. That Nengwa Tadiwa, they are going to New York.
They are going to New York.
New York, yes. Kunambanza X, yes.
Kumbanza, New York.
Yes.
Beta Kwenda.
Yes, Beta Kwenda, same thing, yes. Tutondele. He is going, Sister Candace, he is going. Remember, third plural, third singular. He is going to Birmingham. Birmingham.
Cool. Birmingham.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Birmingham. Katakwenda.
Bravo, yes, bravo. Cool. Birmingham, because you could say Mbanza Birmingham, because Mbanza is city. Yeah, Tutondele. Okay, let us move on this one, on this side. Present tense. Remember the keyword here, present. Our standard pronouns are there, but they really depends on the way you use them. It depends on tenses. Are we okay? Are we? Yes. Are you with me? Yes.
Yes.
Standard pronouns are there, but all depends on the tense. Okay, we move into present tense. Remember your keyword here. You add NGA at the end of the verb. Let's say the verb is here. You don't touch the verb, just add NDA at the end. Sorry, NGA. Salo is work. I go to work every morning. Consensuka is your word. Consensuka, I don't remember. Consensuka is every morning, yes? I go to work every morning. Is that all, please? Please present tense. Remember destination Kuna.
Yeah.
Kuna Salu. Salu is work. Yeah?
Okay. Kuna Salu. Okay, so
Yes.
okay, I go to work every morning, right?
Yeah. Just apply the rule. Put every morning at the end. Consensus at the end.
Sorry, I'm losing my train of thought here. Kusala y cuenda cosa suka.
Oh, sorry. Okay. I'm sorry. Let me just make it easy. Go straight to Constansuka. Forget Kuna destination, yes? Constansuka every morning, yes? I go to work, yeah. Constansuka.
Okay, cosa suka is it Iquendanga? Am I saying?
No, you still using your objects, yes.
Okay.
But you start with Constansuka, yes.
Cosa suka.
Kusalu.
Kusala.
Yeah, Kusalu.
Oh, kusalu.
Salu is work. Yes.
Oh, okay. I see. Not the verb work, but the location work. Okay.
Yeah. Sorry, Giko.
Okay.
Salu, your office. Sala, work.
Yeah. Okay, I see. Okay, all right. So office. Okay. All right. Let me start again. Cosa suka.
Kusalu.
Salu.
Yeah, well done.
Iquendanga.
Yes, nga. Iquendanga, yes.
Iquendanga, right?
Iquendanga, yeah. Your verb is here. You don't touch your verb, just add. Yes. Sister Candace, every morning I go to work. Salu is your office, yes? Constansuka, every morning. Constansuka, yes? Please, sister.
Constansuka.
Kusalu, yes?
Constansuka. Kusalu. I don't know. I'm confused.
No, your pronouns here.
Because you said you have to add add
at the end, right?
Into
yes, when you touch the Constansuka, Kusalu, E.
But where does the NGA come in at?
Yes, your verb is there. Just add the kwenda and ag at the end. Kwendanga.
Kasunsuka.
Yeah.
Kwenda.
Kusalu.
Oh, Kusalu. Kwenda.
Ikwendanga.
Oh, Ikwendanga. Okay.
Yes. Because your object is Salu. First your object, then your pronoun. The last thing it is your verb.
That's confusing.
You did it well last time.
Yes, I'm totally confused.
Sorry?
I said I'm totally confused. I don't know how to put those sentences together at all.
I'm sorry. Let me just go back.
That's okay.
Remember,
I'll just listen.
Yeah, just remember the first thing your object, second your pronoun, the last thing your verb. So Constansuka. Kusalu. Then your pronoun is here. Salu, your object here. Your pronoun is E, yeah? E. Then your verb kwendanga, yes.
Ikwendanga.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So you just do kwenda, NGA, which turns into kwendanga.
Yeah, you don't. Yes, you keep your verb as it is. Just add the NG at the end.
Okay.
Kusalu kwendanga. Remember two things. Here, present tense, we touch on a verb. We just add NGA. For continuous, as it is written here, TA is English equivalent is
ing.
Yes, this is your ing. Yes, going. Right. Yes. Tutondele. Tata David. Consensus. I'm answering your question. You're lucky, man.
Every morning.
Okay. Now we're changing gear. Okay. Every evening, pimpa. Evening.
Pimpa.
Pimpa. I'm just saying, 1 minute. Let me just write it down. Very hard. Where are we? Okay. Yes, salut officiers. Pimpa. Pimpa. Actually, you got your nasal right, yeah?
Okay.
Pimpa.
So that's not evening, that's every evening. Pimpa.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, I see. Pimpa.
Yes.
Okay. What?
Yes, that's it. Okay. We still on. Okay. We're stopping soon. We're still on this column. Yes, present tense.
Mm-hmm.
Every evening, I drink milk. Yes.
Okay.
Consom pimpa, yes.
Yeah, I remember, of course, that ja is to eat, but I don't remember the verb for drink.
Noa.
Noa? Right.
Yes.
NWA. Noa. Okay.
Yes.
Let's see.
Consom pimpa, yes. Then you apply the rule, Tata David. You apply the rule. Consom pimpa.
Consum pimpa.
Milk kimvumina, kimvumina, your object first, then your pronoun.
Okay.
Kimvumina,
oh, right.
milk, yes.
So the
Consum pimpa, yes.
Object milk is what?
Tedia, can you help us, please?
Kimvumina.
Yeah, kimvumina.
Kimvumina. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Consum pimpa. Kimvumina.
Nwaganga. Or Inagwanga.
Inwanga. Yes, Inwanga. Yeah, well done. You've dropped your I, your pronoun. Yes, right. I mean, yes. Tutondele. Any questions? Tatane, are you there? Can't see you. Tatane. Oh, can't see Tatane. Okay. Any questions? Are we okay? Yes.
Well, I mean, I understand the concept, but excuse me, I don't know all of the words. So sometimes when you mention something, I don't know that verb.
Oh, I see.
Like
No,
for memory.
Yeah.
Don't feel guilty. No. We Let me do Quendi there. Eh? No, it's okay. You're doing well. Let me just try to remove my Tutondele. Thank you very much for the time. Let me just display something. This is we just lost one of the Congo leaders. Yeah, when I say leader, I mean in terms of culture. Yes, Tata Mwanda Semi is gone. Yeah, Tutondele Consom pimpa kimvumina inwanga. Yes, I think. Now, kimvumina is milk. Yes, I think milk. Someone has written. Nengo Teddy, over to you. Can you read and translate into translate into English?
Kembo tekeno ba
Pangi. They mean Pangi. Yeah,
Pangi zame. So it's saying hello everyone. Pangi zame.
You dropped something very important. Zame, remember Zame?
Oh,
Zame, you got Zame.
My friend.
Sorry?
Oh, my people.
Pangi, yeah. Pangi, my brothers and sisters. Yes, Zame. Plural. Yes. Okay. Tutondele. Thank you very much for the time. Thank you very much for honoring our ancestors.
Tutondele.
Tutondele. Loenda Kiambote.
Sala Kiambote.
Sala Kiambote.
Okay. Yo.
Timba. Kaimbe Shetemba. Ira.
Papi Salomou, Willy Longa, les coordonnateurs, et pas Mandela. Tony Massoudi, Ali Bokuma. Eli Kwayeno. Docteur Nelson Kalaba. Jean-René Nicolo. Mamalando. Magua Congo. Philippe Kamango. Pemba Masagila. Zozoru Kanu. Mutukuina yaya.
Politiza Keita Kulama
Serge Ndodo na San Diego.
Kinshasa, Kinshasa, Congo, tire, tire,